So I might be a bit extra, but I am finishing my Fairy Rings Quilt Along blocks. They're all made and I just need to assemble the blocks. And I'm taking an extra step that maybe it's not necessary, but I want, when these are sewn together, I want these rings to sort of line up as best as possible. And because I'm human, the distance here is not always 100% equal. So the way I'm doing this is lining up the two corners to get a start. And I'm a clipper, so I'm gonna sort of clip down there and clip over here. And then what I'm looking for is where about a 1/4 inch in is. Like probably around here, like if I'm sewing a 1/4 inch down, probably gonna hit around here. And I'm looking to see on the other side, how they don't line up. The seams don't quite line up. So I'm gonna fudge it a bit like that. So it'll be a little bit less on that side. And I clip that in place. And I can tell this one's not going to be quite perfect, but I'm going to do my best. And let's see how this comes out. I like to use my seam ripper as my little pointer there to hold that in place. Sort of acts like a stiletto. Let's see how that came out. Ooh, not bad, not bad. So what I'm going for here is that where these meet are pretty much the same. That was a pretty good one. All right.